Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this Thermo Sudoku by Turkish author Salih Alan from the latest Sudoku Grand Prix. And Thermo Sudoku is quite a common variant where along each thermometer digits strictly increase starting from the bulb end. This was worth 65 points. I don't remember how difficult it was, but let's start. So here we have a thermometer of length 8, which means that there is only 1 degree of freedom. By this I mean that this is at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is at least 8 and at most 9, obviously. So in the lowest scenario we go from 1 to 8. In the highest scenario we go from 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. And we can see that 1 has to be in here, which could be interesting at some point. Well, anyway, let's do the same here. This is from 1 and 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. Now, how do we go, where do we go from here? So this is at least 1, this is at least 4, so this is at least 5, at least 6. That doesn't seem to be so useful, to be honest. Wow. I'm not sure this is so useful, so let's move on perhaps to this thermometer. Yes, this thermometer is interesting because this is at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And knowing that this is at least 6, we can see that in this column, we need digits 6, 7, 8, 9, the 4 digits 6, 7, 8, 9 to fill in those 4 cells. So and there's a 5 here, so the remaining cells must contain 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is from 1, 2, 3, this is from 2, 3, 4, this is from 1, 2, 4. And this is kind of interesting because now something I'm seeing for a start is that in this box 9 can only be in those cells. So that this is not 9, and in this box 9 must be here. So this is not 9. 4, 5. So if this is 4 now, this has to be at least 5, at least 7 because of that, then at least 8, and at least 9. That doesn't work. So that's not a 4, and that's not a 3. Now I'm seeing a 1, 2 pair on this row, so that this has to be 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this is from 1 and 2. Now this has a powerful effect on this, because now this can't be 2, this can't be 1, 2, 3, so this is at least 4, at least 5, at least 6, and then 7 is not available, so this is at least 8. So this is from 8, 9, 6, 8, 5, 6, 4, 5, but 5 is not available because of this. And I was wrong in saying 5 or 6. It could also be a 7, and 6 is actually not available. All right, and actually, seeing those digits, this has to be a 7. So that this is 8, this is 9. I was not too far mistaken. So here we need 1, 5, and 6, but 1 will never be in such a position, and that's not a 5 because there's already 1 in the column. Actually, the column needs 1, 2, and 6, so there's a 2 up there. This column still needs 5, 8, and 9. And what about this? This is at most 6, so at most 5, but 5 is not available, so at most 4, 3, 2, 1, so that has to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's a 1. That's not 9, that's not 1, that's not 8, that's not 5, that's not 6. And this actually can only be a 1. So that's 2, that's 6, that's 1. This row still needs 5, 7, and 9. This row still needs a 6. It's here. This is from 5 and 8. Now this is not the 1 because of this one here. This is at least 6. That's not so interesting. This can't be from 1 and 2, so this is at least 3. That's not 4, 5, so this is at least 6, at least 7, at least 8. So this is 8 or 9, 7 or 8, 6 or 7, and 3. Actually, only 3 is possible. It has to be less than 7, and we already have 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, so that has to be a 3. So this is 2, this is 1, this is 4. We still need a 1, it can only be here. This is not 7, 8, not 6, so it has to be 9, that's 8, 7, and 6. Oh, and this thermometer doesn't seem to be that useful. So here we need 2, 8, and 9. Oh, I'm saying that this one here turns this into a 2, 2, 8, and 9, so that's, oops, sorry about that, that's 8, that's 2 and 9. This can only be a 6 now, that's a 3. Oh, those have to be 3, 4, 5, that's the only way of completing this thermometer. This row needs 5 and 7, but there's a 5 here, so that's a 7, that's a 5. 7 is already on this row, so that's 7, that's 4. 2, 9, and 3. So I think the rest is just plain Sudoku. 5 here, so that's not 5. Oh, this must be bigger than 5. It can't be 7 or 8, so this is from 6 and 9. This row needs 4, 5, 6. Here I need 1, 7, and 8, so this can only be 8. Those are from 1 and 7. I need a 2 somewhere in here. This row needs 1, 2, 8, 9, 7, 2, 8. Oh, there's already 1, 2, 8 in this column, so that's 9. That's 2, that's 9, that's 2, that's 3. That's 6, that's 5, that's 6. This could be a 4, 5, so that's a 4, 5, 4. 2 can't be here, that's a 9. Down there, I need 1 and 8. Up there, I need a 3, it's here. And this is from 8, 9. So this thermometer is useful, it disambiguates. Well, the bulb could never contain a 9 anyway. And the rest is just straightforward eliminations, I think. And that's it. So really nice thermo. Um, well, probably very tight solving path, but that's what you expect from a handmade Thermo Sudoku. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.